Good morning, dear students. Now today I am going to start activity 4, question number 3. I read the question from the book, page number 56. Find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by 105, 91 and 130. The smallest number which is exactly divisible by 105, 91 and 130 is the LCM of these numbers. We write all the numbers separated by comma. In a row, we write all these numbers separated by a comma. Now first, we see which number is divisible by the smallest prime number, and the smallest prime number is 2. 105 is not divided by 2, so we write 105 as it is. 91 is also not divided by 2, so we write this number as it is. And 130 is divided by 2. How many times? That is 2 6 are 12, 1 0, 2 5 are 10. अगर बच्चों आपको डायरेक्ट डिवाइड नहीं आता है तो आप इस तरीके से यहाँ साइड में लिखकर डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. And this is the question. So question you write below this number. Again, all this number is not divided by 2. Then we see the next prime number, that is 3. Which number is divided by 3? 105 is divided by 3 and the quotient comes 3 3s are 9 and 3 5s are 15, 35. Then 91 is not divided by 3, so we write this number as it is. Then 65 is not divided by 3, so we write 65 as it is. Then the next prime number, that is 5. 35 is divided by 5, then the quotient is 7. And then 91 is not divided by 5, so we write 91 as it is. Then 65 is divided by 5, comes 13. Then next 7 is divided by 7, then 1. Then 91 is divided by 7, that is 13. Then 13 is not divided by 7, so we write 13 as it is below this. Now 13, 1 and 13 is divided by 13, then 1 comes. Again 13 is divided by 13, then 1 comes. The LCM is equals to, multiply all these numbers. First we write all this number with the sign of multiplication. 2 multiplied by 3, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 7, multiplied by 13. Now we multiply all these numbers. Then this comes 2730. This is the LCM. I read question number 7. Find the smallest number which when divided by 24, 36 and 54 gives a remainder of 5 each time. So first we find out the LCM of all these numbers and what the answer comes. In that we add 5. In this way we can find out the answer of this question. Now we find out the LCM of these numbers. First we divide this number by the smallest prime number 2. 24 is divided by 2, then 12 comes, then 36 is divided by 2, then 18 comes. 54 is divided by 2, then 27 comes. 2 2s are 4, 1 remainder, 1 and 4, that is 2 7s are 14. Again 12 is divided by 2, then 6 comes. 18 is divided by 2, then 9 comes, and 27 we write as it is. Again 6 is divided by 2, then 3 comes. 9 is not divided by 2, then we write 9 as it is. Again 27 is not divided by 2, so we write 27 as it is. Then 3 is divided by 3, then 1 comes. 9 is divided by 3, then 3 comes. Then 27 is divided by 3, then 9 comes. Again 1 we write as it is, and 3 is divided by 3, then 1 comes. 9 is divided by 3, then 3 comes. Then again we write here 3, then here is 1, there is also 1, and 3 is divided by 3, then 1 comes. At the last all 1 be there, then we stop and we write here LCM and we find out the product of all these numbers. So we write this number separate by multiplication sign. 2, then this 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3. Now we multiply all these numbers. Then comes 2 1 6. Now LCM is 216, and in this number we add 5. Then comes 221, or we say that 221 is the smallest number which when divided by 24, 36 and 54 gives a remainder of 5 each time.